In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an FTX account. First of all, make sure that you are on ftx.com or ftx.us if you are in the USA. Note that ftx.com doesn't actually work if you are in the USA. Head to create a free account and then pop in your email and a randomly generated password. Please keep in mind that a password should be something random. Doesn't have to be your name or anything associated to you. You can also sign up using Google Pay, Apple Pay, or Google. I'm gonna hit on create an account and it says that it's creating the account. The account has been created. Please make sure that you pop in your real name and your real last name. Make sure that you pop in your birthday as well, and we are good to go. Click on continue. As you can see right here, you also put your residence. I'm gonna fill on these details and be right back. After filling this information, all you have to do is pop in your phone and get an SMS verification. After filling your phone, click on send code. Wait for a couple of seconds and you should receive the right code right here. As you can see, after receiving the code, I'm just going to answer it and I'll be good to go. Here you are almost done with your sign up process when it comes to FTX. Also, double check if there's a link in the description as that will give you a bonus. That's it for today's video and goodbye.